Hi, I'm Eugenie. Today I'm making individual microwave brownie cookie in 2 minutes. First, in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a pinch of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and sift in 2 teaspoons of unsweetened natural cocoa powder. Then whisk to combine. And pour in 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of milk. Then stir until combined. Now transfer to a microwave-safe plate and flatten the dough a little. The cookie dough will spread in the microwave oven. First, microwave for 30 seconds. Make sure to adjust the cooking time according to the power of your microwave oven. My oven is set to 800 watt today. Then microwave another 15 seconds. Then again 10 seconds. And finally microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. It's important to have intervals, otherwise the inside of cookie will get burned. Today it took 1 minute and 5 seconds in total. The surface of the cookie should be still soft and the crust should be all over the surface. Decorate with chocolate chips and let it for 20 minutes or until completely cooled. Voila! An individual microwave brownie cookie. Bon appetit! The chocolatey chocolate cookie for brownie lovers. Top, side, and bottom. This is perfect chocolate fix in 2 minutes. Try this if you're a fan of cake in a mug recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye!